bridge.
Yes, please go ahead.
There's a fire at the galley.
Roger.
Shipmate, what's happening?
There's a fire at the galley.
Okay, shipmate, proceed to the firefighting equipment and extinguish the fire immediately.
Roger, sir. Master, the fire cannot be controlled.
Okay, proceed to the master station.
Second mate, send a distress message. Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. This is motor vessel Calliope. Call sign Charlie, Alpha, Lima, Lima, India, Oscar, Papa, Echo, MMSI 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3. Position, latitude 45 degree 34 north. Longitude 49 degree 23 minutes west. We are on fire that cannot be controlled. They are 10 persons on board. We are abandoning the ship. I require immediate assistance. Over.
All crew, all crew, all crew, proceed to the master station. Proceed to the master station. We are abandoning the ship. Abandoning the ship. Master, an alarm has triggered on the steering console.
The steering system isn't responding. This is critical. I'll contact the engine room. Engine room, this is the bridge. The steering system is unresponsive. Investigate and provide an update immediately.
Understood, Master. I'll check the steering motors now. Bridge, this is the engine room. Both steering motors are broken. Immediate repair is not possible. You need to anchor the vessel to avoid further risk.
Sound the general alarm and prepare to anchor. I'll handle navigation manually until we can stop safely. Monitor the surrounding traffic. We need to ensure safe maneuvering while we drop anchor. Cast an urgency message and warn all nearby vessel to give way. Make sure they know we're steering and are taking emergency measures.
Pan. All station. This is MB Calliope. We have a critical steering failure and are anchoring at coordinating 25 degree 45 north, 78 degree 38 west. All vessels in the vicinity are advised to give way. Over.
All crew, this is the master. Prepare to drop anchor. Stay alert and stand by for further instruction.
Pan message broadcasted and nearby vessel have been informed, monitoring the situation closely.
Good work. Keep monitoring traffic and ensure the crew is ready for further instruction.
There's a floating container at approximately 2 points to starboard. I've confirmed visually and on the radar. It poses hazard to navigation.
Take the exact position of the container and prepare to broadcast a safety message on Channel 12.
Marking the position now.
Inform all nearby vessels of the floating container. Use Channel 12 and ensure the safety message is clear.
Security. All stations. This is MB Calliope. Floating container sighted at position 25 degree 45 minutes north, 78 degree 38 minutes west, approximately 2 points of our starboard bow. All vessels are advised to exercise caution. Over.
Good work. Continue monitoring the container on radar and visually. Make sure it doesn't drift into our path.
I also monitor Channel 12 for responses or additional hazards reports.